Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to make this quick and easy Pholourie egg ball. Here I have some split piece flour and all-purpose flour. I already boiled my eggs. I'll be using these wooden skewers. I have some green seasoning, some complete seasoning, black pepper, seasoned salt, chicken bouillon. I have some yeast and baking powder. So first things first, you want to combine all the dry ingredients, mix well, and then we will add the green seasoning. After which we will add some warm water and we'll mix it into a thick batter. You want the batter to be nice and thick so that it can hold on to the eggs. Once we're done, we'll cover and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. Next, you want to get some plain flour, which we will use to coat the eggs. And then you want to insert the wooden skewer into the eggs. I did went ahead and, broke off a part of the wooden skewers because I didn't want them too long. And once you insert the skewer into the egg, you want to go ahead and just make sure that the egg is well coated with that flour. This will allow the batter to stick to the egg so that we can fry them. So once we're done, we will go ahead and just coat the egg into that batter. Make sure that you get a nice coating on there. And it won't be super thick, it will be nice and thin, and then we'll go ahead and start frying. And just a quick reminder, as your batter sits, it will become thicker. So right before you go and dip your egg into the batter, you want to add a pinch of water so that it reverts back to the right consistency. Next, you want to fry these on medium-low heat. Do not turn the heat up too high because they will fry super fast and burn. We don't want them to burn and we want them to cook through. They will not take a long time to cook because the batter is thin around the egg. So it will take about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you will just set that aside and carry on with the others until you're all done. The recipe is super simple. It takes about 15 minutes and it is a great appetizer, and it's one of Guyanese street food. Usually we would do it with the cassava, but I decided to just do it with the Pholourie batter this time, and it was so delicious. And here you have it, Pholourie egg ball. I did serve it up with some mango sour, which I will leave the link to that in my description box. And yeah, it was definitely a hit. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.